This Clatine Wok Pan with lid, 13-inch, is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers quality and versatility for your cooking needs. This wok is made from carbon steel. It is not coated with chemicals. The nitrided surface provides a natural non-stick experience. This makes stir-fries and other dishes easy to cook. The Clatine Wok Pan with lid, 13-inch, has a flat bottom. This design makes it suitable for various stovetops. You can use it on induction, electric, and gas stoves. The included wooden spatula is perfect for stirring and flipping food. It helps prevent scratches on the wok's surface. Cleaning up after cooking is simpler. You will have fewer messes to worry about. With the Clatine Wok Pan with lid, 13-inch, you can cook with confidence. The carbon steel material ensures good heat distribution. This helps your food cook evenly. The nitrided surface also offers resistance to corrosion. This means your wok can last longer with proper care. While a video might show its use, the real deal is in your hands. Experience the quality for yourself and enjoy delicious stir-fries. Pros: with lid included, spatula included, carbon steel, no chemical coating, nitrided non-stick. For induction, for electric stove, for gas stove, flat bottom 13-inch size, stir-fry pan. Easy to clean, rust resistant, lightweight. Cons: needs seasoning, can rust if not cared for, hand wash only, may need re-seasoning, can lose non-stick over time, heavy for some users, might react to acidic food, wooden spatula may not. Last features: wok pan with lid, 13-inch wok, stir-fry pan, wooden spatula, no chemical coated, carbon steel wok, nitrided non-stick, Chinese wok, flat bottom, induction stove. This Clatine wok is a 13-inch pan made for stir-frying. It's made of carbon steel and has a special nitrided coating that helps food not stick and prevents rust, without using any chemical coatings. It's a Chinese-style wok with a flat bottom, so it can be used on different kinds of stoves like induction, electric, and gas. The wok comes with a lid and a wooden spatula to help with cooking. This 13-inch Clatine wok is a stir-fry pan made of carbon steel with a flat bottom. Suitable for all types of stoves including induction, electric, and gas. It has a nitrided non-stick surface without chemical coatings and comes with a lid and a wooden spatula. The wok is designed to be easy to clean and rust resistant. And while lightweight, it needs to be seasoned before use and requires hand washing and careful maintenance to prevent rust and maintain its non-stick properties over time. Some users might find it heavy, and it could potentially react to acidic foods. Also, the included wooden spatula may not be very durable.